Hi guys, in this video we'll be looking at question 9. We are still at Euclidean geometry as we are preparing for mathematics prelim paper 2. So I did prefer to start with Euclidean geometry. Right, so let's go guys. In the diagram below, ABCD is constructed such that BC is produced to D, DR is drawn with a point, T on AC and R on BA. CS is drawn such that CT, we're being told that CT is 12 and that TA is 36 given, and that SR is 20 meter. We can see SR is 20 and SA, we're being told that it's 80 millimeter, right? So the best way, guys, is to work out this side so that we will be on the safer side. How will we do that? We are required to prove that CS, this CS, it's parallel to TR. It's parallel to TR, meaning that CS is parallel to TR. No? So to make our life easy, guys, we have to use proportion theorem. It's very important to know proportionality because it will help us mostly to answer this question, right? So to be on the safer side, guys, we can see, let's start with what is given there. Let's work with 9.1. We'll start with what is given. We have ST all over TA, ST all over TA. Then, yes, we said that ST will be divided by TA. We know that's a proportionality theorem, but all right, let's put the values then. Then ST, we know that it's 12 all over 36. That is 12 all over 36. And or the best way is to find the missing side as well. Also, where there are missing sides, just as RA, for us to find RA, we will say 80 minus 20, which will give you 60, right? So which will be 60 millimeter. So it's also important to fill up the missing parts, right? So we said that ST divided by TA, that will be 12 all over 36. So let's punch the calculator. 12 divided by 36, that will be 1/3. So we're going to have 1 all over 3. Then what's the other sides? Let's look at the other sides. SR, you can see those, they're in proportion to each other. ST and SR. SR, we know that. So we are going to say SR divided by, as well as, remember, TA goes with RA and SR goes with CT. You can see they're in proportion. So what we can do there is to say SR all of RA, just as I told you that fill up the missing parts. So SR, we know that SR is 20. That will be 20. And RA, that will be 60. So let's punch our calculator. 20 divided by 60, that will be 1/3. 1 over 3. Therefore, we could say CT all over TA, it's the same as SR all over RA. They are both equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, I could say CS is parallel to TR. It's parallel to TR. Then the reason it's line divides. This line divides the side. We could say divide the sides of a triangle in proportion. So that's the reason. That's the reason for us to get that 3 marks, right? Let's go. Then at 9.2, it is further given that AR it's 2/3 of RB, and that BC is 2x. we are being told that BC is 2x, right? And CD, it's half x plus 1. Yes, so it's also good to fill up this. So we need to find the value of x. Right, so let's look at the sides that are in proportion. Let's look at AR first. I'm seeing AR. AR can help us. Let's start with AR. AR as well as RB. AR and RB. So let's start with those two. AR and RB. It's also important to review proportionality before you can. It's no, not too. Where do I get that? AR, where is AR? It's 60. Where is RB? How do we get RB? We need to find RB, guys. Ne? AR we said is 60. So divided by RB. No? RB. We need to find RB. Let's see what can we do there. But it's nice. Let me just take this before I can see I'm making mistakes, silly mistakes actually. Because we have AR, which is equals to 2/3 of RB. Let's divide everything by RB there. RB. So this and this cancels. I'll just erase this. So meaning that AR will all over RB will be 2/3. This will be AR all over RB will be 2/3. Therefore, from this AR all over RB, we know that it's equals to 2/3. We know that. Then what is AR? AR, we said that is 60. But we don't know RB. RB, we don't know what is RB here, right? So we need to find RB. So RB, then 2/3. And what we could do is to cross multiply. Then let's use our calculator there. 60 times 3, that will be 180. 2 times RB, that will be 2 RB. Then I will have to divide everything by 2. This and this cancels. RB, it's 90 degrees, making RB to be 90 degrees. So we can put RB as 90 millimeter there. So yeah, on a safer side then now. No? So we said RB, it's 90 millimeter. 90 millimeter RB. Yes. So this question paper was taken from the previous prelim, which is 2023 Gauteng. So you can go and check so that we are together in this, right? So we can see that RB, it's 90 millimeters. So for us to get SB, we need to be wise. We're gonna say 90 minus 20, which will give us 70 millimeter. So thus we could say SB, sorry for my writing, SB, it's 70 millimeter. Could say SB 70 millimeter. Right. I hope, guys, we are winning. Right, we are not done. We're supposed to find now the value of x. I'll just have to write it here. So let's go. We need to find S. Let's go to BC there. Let's go and work out BC. At BS, we know at BS, it's in proportion with SR. Yes, with SR, as well as BS. It's in proportion with BC. And then we have SR. SR, it's in proportion with CD. SR, this SR and CD as well. So SR with CD, sorry for that, with CD. So the reason will be proportion, sorry for my space, proportion theorem. So let me write in a clean space so that we can be able to solve x, right? All right, guys, let me write 9.2 in a clean page. Yeah, we'll just take what is this and write it in a clean page. Firstly, at 9.2, we did have AR divided by RB, which was equals to 2 that. Therefore, we also had, remember, we said that AR all over RB so was to 2 that, where we said that AR is 16 and we were looking at RB, and which is 2 that here. Then we cross multiply, that will be 118, which is 2 RB. In other words, RB it's 90, right? 90 millimeter, not degrees. Where did I get degrees? 90 millimeter. Therefore, from that, we said that we need to find SB. And we said that our SB, let me just check with you. Since we have 90 RB, we said that 90 minus 20, that will be 70. So SB will be 70 millimeter as well, right? So that's how we are tackling 9.2. Therefore, we said that BS is that BS is in proportion to BC, and we said that SR is in proportion to CD, right? So let's put that into practice, right? So we said that BS and SR they're in proportion to BC divided by CD. The reason was proportion theorem, right? Proportion theorem. Okay. And we said that BS it's 70, and we said that SR it's 20, and BC we said that is 2x, and we also have CD half x plus 1. So the best way is to work out everything here, guys, in our favor. So to make our life easy, we can cross multiply, right? So when you say 20 times 2x, that will be 14. That will be 40x. Then we have 70 multiplied by half x plus 1, right? So from here, half of 70, that will be 35. So we have 35x, then 70 times 1, that will give us 70, and we have 40x, right? So the best way is to transpose 35 to the other side. 40 minus 35, that will be what? That will be 5x, right? So we have 5x, which is equals to 70. So we can divide everything by 5 here. Right. So 70 divided by 5, we can see that x is equals to 14 millimeter. So that's how you can work out 9.2. So that's the value of x. The value of x here, it's 14, and if you can transpose, if you can go back and substitute at BC, you can have 28, and at CD, what we can have, it's half multiplied by 14, which is 7 plus 1, which is 8. So meaning that this side will be 28 and this side will be 8, right? So that's how it should be. So I hope, guys, you find this video useful. Hope you saw how we went out with 9.1 and 9.2. Just learn your proportionality and do more problems. That will equip you to do well in your paper 2, guys. Right. See you on the remaining question of Euclidean geometry. We will do other proof, yes, as we are revising our paper 2. Wishing you all the best, and do not forget to subscribe and like the video and comment. We love you.